Magnesium is an intravenously delivered drug that is a natural calcium channel blocker. It is used clinically to prevent seizures in pregnant women with hypertension, as well as treatment for abnormal heart rhythms such as torsades de pointes. In this video, I'll give you a visual mnemonic to help you remember everything you need to know about magnesium, so you'll be ready for test day. Let's get started. Welcome to my home. First, let's anchor ourselves to the scene by taking a look at the giant magnet on the fridge. Doesn't the word magnet sort of sound like the word magnesium? It's the magnesium magnet. This magnet should remind you of the pharmacological form of magnesium, also known as magnesium sulfate. Now that we've anchored ourselves to this scene, let's move on to the mechanism. It seems that we're celebrating a baby shower in our family. But my spouse seems a little upset. Now I can see why. She's holding an empty container of calcium ice cream. I think I ate the last of the ice cream last night and just left the empty container in the freezer. By the way, this calcium ice cream is Pixorize's recurring symbol for calcium. And this tub of calcium-rich ice cream is empty, symbolizing how calcium channels are blocked or inhibited by magnesium. You see, magnesium acts as a natural calcium channel blocker at various tissues in the body. Just picture this empty container of calcium ice cream to remember that magnesium blocks calcium channels. Now that we've covered the basics, let's talk about what magnesium is actually used for in the clinical setting. Yep, my pregnant spouse is super angry. Just look at that bulging vessel on her forehead. You bet that the pressure is just skyrocketing in here by that glare. Anyhow, this picture should remind you of magnesium's role in treating preeclampsia and eclampsia. Recall that preeclampsia is a condition characterized by high blood pressure in pregnant women, which becomes the more severe eclampsia when the pregnant woman starts to have seizures. Magnesium is the first-line agent in the treatment of preeclampsia and eclampsia, which may help reduce blood pressure and stop seizures from happening. The mechanism for how magnesium works here is relatively unclear. It's thought that its calcium channel blocking function can inhibit vasoconstriction systematically to reduce blood pressure. But magnesium also acts on the CNS to stop seizures by an unclear mechanism. The mechanism isn't all that important. Just remember that magnesium should be used to treat eclampsia and preeclampsia in pregnant women. For another major use case of magnesium, check out the decorations we set up for this baby shower. Yep, you bet we decorated this room with twisty streamers. Nothing says party like a bunch of twisty streamers, right? By the way, twisty streamers are our recurring symbol for the arrhythmia known as torsades de pointes. Torsade de pointes is an arrhythmia resulting from multiple abnormal electrical centers in the ventricles. Electrical depolarizations resulting from these centers create a characteristic twisty streamer pattern on EKG, just like our twisty streamers here. Magnesium can help suppress the arrhythmia here by blocking calcium channels in the heart. So just picture these twisty streamers to recall magnesium is used to treat torsades de pointes. These are the two main clinical uses of magnesium that you need to know for test day. But for all you gunners out there, you may want to know magnesium can also be used to treat digoxin poisoning. Basically, excess digoxin leads to massive increases in intracellular calcium levels in the heart, which causes arrhythmias. Magnesium is often used as a second-line therapy after anti-digoxin antibody fragments for treating these patients by stabilizing the heart. All right, that's it for magnesium. Let's summarize what we learned in this scene. Magnesium is a natural calcium channel blocker that is administered intravenously as magnesium sulfate. Clinically, magnesium is used to treat preeclampsia and eclampsia in pregnant women, and also is used to treat torsades de pointes. Okay, now we're actually done with magnesium. I'm gonna run to the store to grab some more ice cream before my spouse gets any angrier. I'll see you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. For more videos like this one, subscribe to our channel and check out our newest lessons. For more resources on this topic, including fact lists and interactive review images, click the image next to the More Here arrow. I'll see you next time.